Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to import videos from AliExpress to your Wix product page using Editorify. So we're going to use this Wix product page and we're going to visit the AliExpress product page that contains the video that you would like to import. So that's the AliExpress product page and here's the video. And we're going to click on the Editorify extension icon. You can also select the reviews that you would like to import. And you can select to import all reviews. And you can also edit and change each one of the reviews. Okay, now let's scroll down a bit to the video section. And if the product page contains a video, it will appear here. And just select the video that you would like to import. Select it and then scroll down. And select the Wix product page you would like to import the reviews and the video to. Then click on Import Now. Click on the View link. And this will take us back to the Wix product page. And we can see that the reviews has been imported. And here's the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.